hyped and I am excited, and we are going to go over what the heck has been happening in crypto. Jeez, because you guys, it's looking good right now. Crypto's looking good for us. So first things first, we're gonna cover Bitcoin. I'm gonna let you guys know what's happening in the private community because we are about to get to the 10K mark, you guys. We're doing all right. Let me first start off with what in the world's happening with BTC. Let me move this bad boy over. Move that bad boy over. Okay. All right. So now, and if you got your crypto questions, drop them in the comments, you guys. You guys know I'm here to share gems so everyone gets their crypto wallet big, fat, and juicy. So let's go and let's do this. First things first. Mama Bitcoin is pumping today. Geez. All I see is green everywhere, bro. Crypto wallets looking nice. Green everywhere. Now, here's the thing, you guys, that we have to be very careful about this. I know when we see a crypto looking nice, green, everyone's getting very happy, jolly, everyone's getting hyped. This is where we have to be careful. All right, let me move this over. Boom. All right, this is where we gotta. This is where we gotta be careful because this is where people lose money. Okay, Bitcoin might be pumping very nice, but it's actually looking a little bearish. When I see this, I'm like, we don't got a lot of room to really run out that high. And the reason why is we're going to talk about this structure very shortly. Let's talk about this structure right now. First things first, we saw Mama Bitcoin move within this descending channel. Textbook play. We typically know how this moves, right? We see prices, boom. And it attempted to actually break up towards this side, and then it ended up coming down. After it hit this rejection right here, and then what happened after? Whoop, it finally made its way toward the upside. Now, here's the thing that I've been telling everybody. I'm like, even though I know crypto looks good, even though prices are moving up right now, even though we're seeing up and away action, we're still moving bearish. Oh no, what do you mean they're still moving bearish? You guys, we're still moving bearish. And the reason why prices are still moving bearish until we get up here. I'm looking at Bitcoin sideways. I'm looking at the crypto market sideways. I'm not super bullish yet, right? I'm not thinking, okay, it's over. Because if you look, right, if we take a step back, we like overall, the way the trend has been moving, prices have still been moving in the downwards direction. I'm actually going to tell you guys how we've still been able to trade crypto and we doubled our money in like 4 weeks in my private community. And now we're about to double our money again. You guys are going to like that. I got that sauce for you guys. But first, let's finish this. So when I look at the crypto market as a whole, I'm still bearish on it, meaning I still kind of expect prices to go down just because we haven't gotten above this range right here. We haven't gotten above 79K. And if I open this bad boy up, let me lower my head so you guys can see this. Boom, there you go. We're at 75K. You guys, we're at 75K. Until we get to 79K, I'm still going to be bearish. Now, that doesn't mean you don't buy the dip. We've been buying the dip, right? Where price is moving down here, we bought the dip. With prices moving towards this side, we've been buying the dip. We bought the dip. Accumulate your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your whichever these crypto projects you like, accumulate, buy it, get your crypto wallet big, fat, and juicy, right? All right, so now this is what I want to talk about. You guys, in my private community, we started with, let me show you guys. I'm not even going to tell you guys. I'm just going to show you guys, okay? Look at this, you guys. Look what this says. Small wallet, big dreams. You guys read that? Small wallet, big dreams, okay? Let me make, you guys, I can't even see the chat if anyone even says anything to me. Like, I can't even see if anyone even says anything to me on TikTok. I realize I can't even see it. All right, so check this out. You guys, we started this in my community. It's called, where is it? Small wallet, big dreams. I'm going to scroll all the way up so you guys can see this for yourself. Right, because we've been snapping with this, right? Look at this, you guys. In my private community, in my inner circle, we started this, right? A challenge, small wallet, big dreams. And it's because there are certain people in crypto who don't have a lot of money. Like there's certain people in crypto where you're starting off with $500. You're starting off with $1,000. So I'm just like, yo, why don't we start a channel, right? Not alpha trade. That's like for people who have more money. Small wallet, big dreams. So we're like, yo, let's start off with $1,000 and let's see if we can grow this $1,000 to $10,000. Like, let's do it, bro. Let's run it. Bet. Let's go. So we've been trading in the community, and I'll just go all the way to the bottom. You guys, we took this trade fat. I'm actually in this trade right now. We took this trade today. You guys see like 923. So we took this trade today. I'm in this trade right now. But here's the gem about this. We've officially doubled our money. So our $1,000 is already $2,000. So this is the trade I'm currently in. We took this trade like today at, where's the Discord link? So we took this trade today, this morning at 928. It was a short position, waiting for prices to go down. That's when we entered that. So long story short, we're making money as crypto goes down, right? So this is the crypto. This is the trade. Now you might be like, oh, it's only $39, blah, blah, blah. But you guys, we started with $1,000 and now we're at $2,068.31, right? So we turned our 1,000 to already 2,000 bucks. Now it's step 2 to turn our 2,000 to 4,000. And we're going to do it. We're going to get there. Like we already did the 1x. We already did the first flip. The first flip is done, right? Now we're doing the second flip, which is 2,000 to 4,000. And then we're going to do the third flip, which is the 4,000 to 8,000. And then after that, we're going to get it to $10,000. Now, once we get to 10K, I kind of want to decide. I'm going to let the community decide. Whether we're going to go from like 10K to 50K, then 100K, or if we should restart and go back to $1,000 and do $1,000 back to $10,000. But my whole point is, yo, what is going on? But my whole point is, like, when starting with crypto, it doesn't matter how much money you have. Like, it doesn't matter how much money you start with, right? Like, and as long as if you have a good strategy and a good technique, right? Hopefully, I think this is going to go down and they're going to close this trade, but I'm pretty sure this trade should make us like close to $200 and then it'll take me to the 2,100. So we're getting there, guys. We're getting there, right? So this is for people who don't have that much money. If you're a baller, you got all this money, it's all good. You can leave the live stream. But for people who are like, man, I got my first 1,000, my first $2,000. I'm trying to crush it in crypto. Bomb. This is for you. Now, this is the part that I actually want to show you guys so everyone can learn from this, right? If you look at my private community, like some of the trades we've been doing, this trade, it was a short trade. The trade before that, Tau, it was a short trade, right? This was a great trade. We all made money on that. Boom, boom, boom. This one was a short trade. Pi. The Pi trade was crazy. Was Pi, right? Boom. And look at the Pi trade. I think I put a screenshot. This was the Pi trade. Like that bad boy went down beautiful. Beautiful, right? So that was a short trade. Here I want to show you guys the other trade we took. This one, right? Short trade. I told you guys about that. This one, short trade DEX, right? This trade, form was a short. Let's go back. I'm showing you guys all this. Arrow trade was a short trade. This trade was juicy. This trade was juicy, fam. This was a short trade. Made money on that. File trade was a short trade. We made money on that. So the reason why I wanted to show you guys, you can go through, like, I can show you guys all the trades we've made in my community. Sent, position, entry, what price. Like, I literally posted to everybody, guys, I'm doing this crypto. I'm making a short trade. This is the price I'm entering at. Like, I break it down in detail. Now, the reason why I wanted to show you guys is because you guys can see a clear pattern. Every single crypto we've made is like $200, $300, $400, $500 in profit. But all of that money adds up to get to that $10,000, which we're on our way to get it. But the most important thing I wanted to show is that if you look at all of those trades, have all been short trades, right? They've all been short trades, meaning, where's the Fed trade that we're in? Right now, we're in this trade right here, expecting prices to drop. And prices have been dropping. Hopefully, we're going to take profit when it comes down here. And when it comes down here, it should be good profit. But the reason I want to say is that all of our trades that we've used to just double our money. So if you're somewhere like, I have my first 5,000, I want to get to 10,000. this can work for you. If you have your first 3,000, you want to get to 6,000, this will work for you. If you have 1,000, you want to get to 2,000, this will work for you, broski. Okay? This will work for you. When I look at the chart, so here's the gem. If you look at any crypto, pick your poison, bro. Any crypto, they've all been moving down, down, down. Down, down, down. Oh, but Naicke, today's crypto's today it's pumping. Today, if you take a step back, how's it been moving for the last 2 months, for the last 3 months, last 4 months, the last 5 months? Since like October or something, crypto has just been moving downwards, right? So if you take a step back, what does that mean? It means you will make more money in crypto right now, shorting crypto, because all of the trades in my private community has been shorting. Short. All of them have been short crypto. Listen, we're up 40% profit on that trade. Like they've all been short, right? Because I say this again and again, the easiest way to make money in crypto, if you want to trade, is ride the crypto wave. Ride the crypto wave if you want to make money in crypto. Naicke, what do you mean ride the crypto wave? It means if crypto's running up, so if we take a, if you take a step here, if we look at Bitcoin, right? Let's erase this for a second. If you take a look at Bitcoin, you guys, up and away, that bad boy's been pumping forever, right? Bitcoin has been pumping. This chart looks weird. Right, I don't like these. Let me get rid of these vertical lines. I feel like it's just making the chart look weird, right? If you look at Bitcoin overall, it's been moving in the upwards direction, up and away. If you look at it now, what's it doing? It's moving the downwards direction. So that's why I'm saying the easiest way to make money is ride the wave. If the wave is going up, we focus on buying to make money as it goes up, right? Boom, boom. If the wave is going down, we focus on making money while the crypto is going down. Like, that's it. That's how we did it, guys. That's how we doubled our money in like 4 weeks. What's happening, amigo? Jeez, bro. Amigo. What up? It's been a while, man. It has been a while. Jeez. Good to see you, broski. But you guys, like, that's how we doubled our money. Like, we doubled our money. Like what I showed you right now, like, that is exactly how we doubled our money, right? So we went from 1,000 to 2,000, and now we're about to go from $2,000 to 4,000. Then we're gonna go from 4,000 bucks, and we're gonna get this bad boy from, geez, we're gonna get this 4,000 to, sorry, we'll get this 2,000 to 4,000. Then we'll go from 4,000 to 8,000. And after we're going to get to 10K, and then from 10K, we'll see what we want to do from there. Either go to 100K or maybe restart, go back to $1,000 and grow it back. But that's it, guys. That's the strategy we've been doing in my private community. Like, it's just that simple. And it applies for any crypto. Like, every single crypto, that's how we've been doing it. We did it for, let me show you guys the last crypto we did it for. We did it for Pi. Like, look at this. See, this is what I mean. Look how easy that is. Like candy from a baby. Look how easy that is, you guys. Come on, fam. Like, look at this. I'm looking at this. I'm like, oh, I saw this crypto. I'm like, oh, it pumped. Boom, came down. Went up. Boom, came down. And I'm like, when I saw this come up here, you guys, right here in the community, I'm like, guys, where did I put, where was the Pi trade? Where was the Pi trade I called out? I think we did Pi trade last week. Here's the Pi trade. I'm like, you guys, short Pi, enter at 28 or higher, right? Everyone understands short, you make money while the crypto's going down. Right here was 29. 29 right here. Like, you guys, I posted it on the date. Here's the receipt. The 3rd, the 12th, 2026 at 8:39 p.m. I posted it to all the Ignite traders and all the lit traders in the community. Prices ran up. Boom. And it ran. Entered. It came down. And we made money. Like, it's just that simple. It's not that hard, you guys. It is not that hard. It is simple. Oh, by the way, if you want to join my private community, check the link in the bio. It's absolutely free to join for like 7 days. I'm making it free for everybody. So if you're like, geez, Because I had a few DMs come to me. People are like, man, I've had like $1,300, $2,000 in crypto for like the last year. I'm struggling. I'm like, okay. So there you guys go. If you ever want a crypto help from me, link in the bio. My crypto community inner circle is free for 7 days for everybody. Okay, but yeah, you guys, that's the strategy we're using to crush it in crypto right now. So it worked for us to double your money. It can work for you guys. It's what I'm doing every single day. It's work for everybody in my community. Literally, like that's it, you guys. Any questions? Drop them in the chat. Drop them in the chat. And I got you. And I also think right now, like I don't think today's the day you should be really looking to buy a bunch of crypto. I don't like buying when I see a lot of green. And I will say within the next few days, you are going to see some of these crypto projects turn a lot of red. And when it turns red, then we can look to accumulate for the long term. And the cryptos that I'm looking to accumulate for the long term, I got 3 cryptos for you guys, 4 cryptos. 1 Bitcoin, 3 Ethereum. Well, I got a few. I'll give you 5. 1 Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin, 2 Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Tron. Those are my top ones. Those 5. Those are the top 5s I recommend. And that's a strategy we're using to double our money in crypto, you guys. You guys saw it in real time. You guys saw it in real life. That's it. Any questions, you guys let me know. Aside from that, just don't be one of these people that are holding on to crypto and they're saying, oh, I'm just gonna wait for crypto prices to go up. No, you don't have to wait for crypto prices to go up. Split up your money. And okay, so this is how I think you should be focused to make the most amount of money in crypto, right? Let's say this is your money, you split it up into 2, right? Like that's it. Split up your money. Let me move this chart up just so everyone can understand. So take your money and split it up into 2, right? Boom, boom. This is your invest money to make money in the long term. And then this is your trade money to make money right now. And I think that's the best way to do it, because you guys just saw, even if you have a small amount of money just in my private community, the way we're able to double it. And then you want to be buying some cryptos for the long term for days like this when crypto pumps, because no one knows the exact day when everything is going to stop going down and everything is going to skyrocket and start going up. No one knows the exact day. But the thing is, when that day comes, you don't want to be buying when it pumps. You want to chase the dips, chase it down, chase it down, chase it down. So that by the time by the time it ends dipping and starts to run back up, you won, you're already in the profit, right? You won and you're in the profits and you made money.